let's look at using our classpad to help us with this problem. So I'm going to enter in all the data via statistics. I have already entered the data. What I've also done is name the columns by clicking in there, and then under here just typing in just ignore the main because that's just part of how calculator operates. So I did that. I called that fuel. I called this column horsepower, double HP, and the third column, which we're going to need to find out, is I've called that REC fuel, and REC just stands for reciprocal. So once I've done that, our first question asks us to sketch the scatter plot, and I need to go to set graph setting, make sure I've got on scatter plot, and make sure I've selected fuel as my X list, and in my Y list horsepower, set, click on the graph, and there's my graph there. Now if I zoom out there, you can see here currently, before I zoom out, is my scale here for the y-axis for horsepower goes down to 53 and goes up to 72. For my x-axis, which is my fuel, it begins at 4 all the way up to 15. So in other words, if I zoom out, you can see there's my x-axis, there's my y-axis, and I can run a trace and scroll through there just to double check that it's all there. What I also can do is use this button here, tap on there, that's going to give me an area that I want to zoom in on. If I do something like this, what that gives me is the area that I've selected zoomed in. Now, translating that to your paper is going to look something like this over here. Okay, now to apply the reciprocal, what we need to do is click there, or tap there, in line with Cal, yeah, and in this box, if we click in there, I want to have 1 over fuel, and we need to make sure that we use the exact variable name that you use, including capitals. And once I've done that and execute that, that's going to give me all the values in the column that I want. Now, what I can do at this point is, because it's asking us to sketch the graph, we can go set graph in our setting, and we need to change the X list to REC fuel. If I set that and sketch the graph, you see now that we have more of a linear relation. We can confirm that by, as we need to do to find the equation of this line now, or this scatter plot, is we do a calc linear regression Make sure we choose for X list our reciprocal fuel list, and list 2 is our horsepower. Click OK there, and there we have the values that I can use to create my equation. Just making sure that you understand that the equation here says y equals ax plus b, but with regard to what we're looking at, the x is 1 over x, and which is 1 over REC fuel. So I've jotted down those figures, or those numbers for A, and we're able to calculate the equation. So in other words, the equation becomes horsepower equal to 22.1 plus 690 over fuel if we round it off to 1 decimal place.